Yeah, good evening everyone. Good evening. Good evening. Hope everything is fine. Check. Audio, video, everything is okay or not? Yeah, good evening. Good evening, Amartya. Good evening. Good evening, everyone. Let's join all the people. Yeah, good evening. Everyone, good evening. Post in our group also. Post in our group also. Post in our group also. Post in our group. Yeah, I'm starting. Everything is ready. I'm starting. Everything is ready. I'm starting. Let me start. Fine. Go ahead. Go ahead now. Yeah, maybe. Yeah, perfect. I think this may be the better. Yeah, I'm starting. So today's date is I think around 15. Yeah, let me write 15 6 26. 15 6 26. This is the today's date. Then call the lights are on. Perfect. Yeah, now it's fine. Right, 15 6 26. Right? Data structures. Right, lecture number 1, that's okay. Lecture number 1, that's okay. Now I think topic name is right. So only for name sake I will write the syllabus. Only for name sake I will write the syllabus one time. One is graph traversal, tree traversal. That is the first topic. Second one is hashing. Third one is linked list. Fourth one is trees, which contain binary tree, binary search tree, AVL tree. So that is the fourth one. Fifth one stack. Sixth one queue. Right? These are the main things. These are the main topics. Graph traversal, tree traversal, hashing, linked list, trees, stack, and queue. Right? These are the main things. If anything is left out, I will cover those also. Don't worry. I will cover those also. Don't worry. These are the topics. Okay, fine. I think everything is fine. Yeah. Can you say one time, everyone? Can you say one time, everyone? Good evening, one time. Sir, which language? You can go whatever language you want. Mostly the DSA course contain, right, language independent. DSA course is mostly language independent, but however, you can go to any language. Yeah, everyone say one time good evening. Everyone say good evening one time. Everyone. Everyone say good evening one time. Everyone. Marvel, Ayush, Anjali, Amartya, Isaac. This Isaac guy is coming after a long time. Once upon a time he came. Dheeraj, Akhtar, this Isaac guy is came once upon a time. Once upon a time, India was ruled by, right, Mughal people, British people. Same way, once upon a time, Isaac also there. Yeah, Bharadwaj also. Once upon a time, India was ruled by British people. Once upon a time, Isaac attended the Reddy Sir lecture. Once upon a time. From that day, I don't know where is the Isaac. He didn't came one mentorship class also he didn't came one mentorship class also. One mentorship class also he didn't came. And one more thing, one more, Marvel, I don't know. Marvel, I don't know. You didn't came one mentorship class also you didn't came. Okay, God is seeing from the top. Those people who are not coming to mentorship class, God is seeing from top. God is seeing from top. Okay, let's start. Everything is ready. Let's start now. So first topic is graph traversal. So I request everyone come every day. Come every day. I request everyone come every day. This is my humble suggestion to all the people. Come every day. Right or no? Graph traversal. Right. Graph traversal. So few basics required. Few basics required, I will say. Afterwards, we will go to the further topic. Few basics required, I am saying. Few basics. What is graph? Right? Remember, graph G, V comma E. Graph G, which is nothing but V comma E. So graph G, name is called G, V comma E. That means graph G is nothing but a combination of vertices and edges. Graph G is nothing but a combination of vertices and edges. Let me write now. Set of vertices. Set of edges. Graph G is nothing but set of vertices and set of edges. That is the graph. Just concentrate fully concentrate. And from this topic, right, total DSA is based on this topic only. It's a very important one. In gate examination also, every year 2 to 4 marks will come. In gate examination also every year 2 to 4 marks will come from this topic. Graph traversal, tree traversal. Most of the DSA based on this topic. It is a very important one. Compulsory you will see one or two questions from this. Compulsory you will see one or two questions from this topic. I request everyone, please get it. Please get it here itself. Graph traversal and tree traversal. So in that starting, graph traversal. What is graph? Graph G is nothing but a combination of vertices, edges. Okay, now I will give one simple example. I will give. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. Right? Now if you observe clearly, the name of this diagram is G. The name of this diagram is G. So what is G? G is nothing but a combination of V and E. What is V? Set of vertices. What are those? All the circle whatever is it, those are vertices. A, B, C, D. So what is E? Set of edges. What are those? Let's see. So A to B, one edge E1. Next one, B to D, one edge E2. You can give whatever order you want. Next one, B to C, one edge E3. Next one, A to C, one edge E4. Next one, C to D, one edge E5. Graph is the combination of vertices and edges. I given one example also. Anyone having any doubt, let me know. Graph is nothing but a combination of vertices and edges. Right? One example also I given. A, B, C, D. Circle wherever is there. Those are vertices. Those are vertices. Which are also called as nodes. Vertices are nodes. Right? Next one. Set of edges. Edges. I think edges are nothing but lines. This is one edge. This is one edge. Connecting line is called edge. Connecting line is called as edge. I hope everyone is fine. Now one more question I want to ask to all the people who are watching here. Alright, I want to ask one question to all the people. How many people completed discrete mathematics? How many people are completed discrete mathematics? I want answer from all of you. How many people are completed discrete mathematics? I want to know all of you. Please comment. Everyone type be active. Be active. How many people are completed discrete mathematics? Comment one time. Make it fast. Everyone type. Everyone type. Akhtar saying no sir. Dheeraj saying no sir. Ankit saying no sir. Right? Isaac saying no sir. Sudipti saying no sir. Okay. Perfect. I request everyone. Today start discrete mathematics. Right? I request everyone. It is a request. It is a humble request to all the people. Today start discrete mathematics. Take it as an assignment. Today start discrete mathematics. Only graph theory. Start. Today start discrete mathematics. Only graph theory. Don't study remaining things. Afterwards you can study. Someone is saying hair. Is it that much important? My hair is that much important. Are bhaiya, it is summer, yaar, very hot. Summer, bhaiya, it is a very hot. I thought let's give rest to hair. Serious topic is going on. Serious topic, graph traversal going on. Someone is saying, what happened to hair? Okay, bhaiya, it is a summer, bhaiya. Some rest. Right, now my request to all the people, discrete mathematics, graph theory. Just go to discrete mathematics subject, graph theory. Please, it will take maybe 2 or 3 days. Complete the total graph theory one time. It will be useful to you. Whenever you start the discrete mathematics afterwards, you can complete the remaining topic. It is an independent topic. You can do it, but you can do. Right? It's my humble request to all the people. It is my humble request. But from today onwards, start doing discrete mathematics graph theory little bit. Do one by one. Nicely I kept in the discrete mathematics course. Nicely it is there. Please everyone start this. It will be useful. Okay, fine. Sir, all topics are independent in the discrete mathematics. Maybe, may not be. I cannot say all, but this graph theory is independent. So you can go ahead. It's my request to all the people. Graph theory is independent. So please do this. Without missing. Please do this without missing. Next week this time I will ask you graph theory over or not. You have to say over. It is a very, very important topic. From graph theory itself, you may get 3 to 4 marks. From here itself, you will get 3 to 4 marks. It will be very useful also to you. 3 to 4 marks you will get from graph theory itself. You will get 3 to 4 marks. So my humble request, please start it. Okay. Anyhow, to this topic really, graph traversal really needed. I started some definition. Graph G is a combination of vertices, edges. I given one example. In this example, vertices are circuits, which are also called as nodes. Vertices are nothing but nodes. Next one, lines are nothing but edges. Two vertices are connected by one line. That line is called edge. So vertices I given, edges I given. Let's take one more example. One example over. Let's go to one more example. Example 2. Take this one. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Right? See this one. A, B, C, D. Just wait for me. Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute, bro. Just 1 minute, bro. Let me save. Yeah, because I have to do refresh. That is the only reason. Otherwise, we will lose it. Yeah, now see this. Yeah, fine. Yeah, this is also graph. Right? This is also graph. Now let me start once. In this graph, assume it is a G1. It is graph G2. G2 is the combination of vertices and edges, where vertices, if you observe, A, B, C, D, if you want, you can add one more vertex also. E I am writing. Maybe E, maybe some edges are covered like this. Maybe like this. Okay, so let's see this. I think you may be confused. This E, that E, maybe both are same. Not. They both are not same. There is no relation. If you confuse, you can give the other name. F. I'm giving F. Any name you can give. Let's start now. Vertices V is equal to A, B. Vertices V is equal to A, B, C, D, F. Edges are going to be, you can give whatever you want, E1, E2, E3, E4, right? E4, E5. Totally 5 edges. Check. Yeah, 5. E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. Okay, that's perfect. Vertices are A, B, C, D, F. Edges are E1, E2, E3, E4, E5. So second example also I done. Check, anyone having any doubt? What is graph? I just given 2 examples. Any doubt? These are small things. Any doubt? Check one time. Small doubt also there, ask me. Can I go to next? Can I go to next? Yeah, can I go to next? Right, now see the next story. Everyone be careful. See the next story. Yeah, see the next story. Make sure everyone see the next story. If you see the next story, see this one. If you see the next story, graphs are 2 types. Graphs are two types. Simple graph, multi-graph. Graphs are two types. Simple graph, multi-graph. Simple graph, multi-graph. What exactly it is, I will explain. Graphs are two types. Simple graph and multi-graph. What is the difference? What is the difference? Can you see this? A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D, A, B, C, D. Okay, perfect. A, B, C, D, A, B, C. Now see this one. Here also I am writing same. So simple graph also graph only, multi-graph also graph only. Both are graphs only. There no doubt. But difference what? Simple graph means simple graph. Simple graph means simple graph. Multi-graph means something like some redundancy kind of. What is that one? Already between B and D one edge there, you return one more edge. One more edge you return. You return one more edge. Between B and D already edge there, you are writing one more edge. So that is called multi. Name itself saying multi. So already Akhtar having one shirt already. On one shirt, Akhtar kept out one more shirt. Akhtar wore, right? Almost like three shirts. On one shirt, he kept one more shirt. I asked Akhtar why? Why you kept three shirts on one shirt? Why one more shirt? Why you kept three shirts? Akhtar said that, right? I am studying multi-graph. In the multi-graph, between B and D, one more edge there. You are keeping one more edge. Already one edge there. You are keeping one more edge. In the multi-graph, between two people, multiple edges are there. These are called parallel edges. Remember, in the case of multi-graph, parallel edges are allowed. But in the case of simple graph, parallel edges are not allowed. These are not allowed. Right? In the case of simple graph is simple graph. Simple graph is exactly like me. See, only one shot. So simple graph is exactly like me. Multi-graph is like Akhtar. Akhtar by a C. Almost three shirts he kept. Already one shirt is there. Why are you keeping one more shirt? Akhtar is saying it is my wish because I am studying multi-graph. Okay, perfect. So please be careful. Next, can you see next one? In the case of the multi-graph, name itself saying multi, right? In the case of multi-graph, see this one. You can keep self-loop. This is called self-loop. But in the case of simple graph, self-loop is not allowed. So some people are asking, what is the difference between loop and self-loop? Remember, this is loop, but this is self-loop. In the case of multi-graph, self-loop is allowed. Parallel edge is also allowed. So it is something like this. One Ankit is sleeping. He is calling himself. Hello Ankit. He is calling himself. Ankit calling Reddy Sir, no issue at all. Ankit calling Reddy Sir, hello Reddy Sir, no issue. But Ankit calling himself, hi Ankit, how are you? He is calling himself. This is called self-loop. So in the case of multi-graph, self-loop is allowed. In the case of simple graph, self-loop is not allowed. What is self-loop? Calling yourself. Ankit calling himself, right? Hello Ankit. Right? Hello Ankit. You Ankit can call Reddy Sir. Hello Reddy Sir, how are you? No issue at all. Right? Ankit calling himself. Hello Ankit, how are you? That is called self-loop. In the case of multi-graph, self-loop is allowed. In the case of simple graph, self-loop is not allowed. Multi-graph, self-loop is allowed. Parallel edge is also allowed. Right? Now I think you got the clarity. Now see this one. So see this one. Self-loop, I am keeping SL. Lack of space, I am writing SL. So parallel edges may be PE. Now understand, in the simple graph, parallel edges are not allowed. End. Self loop also not allowed. Parallel edges not allowed. Self loop also not allowed. Both not allowed. Both not allowed. But in the case of the multi-graph, self loop is allowed or parallel edges are allowed. Self loop is allowed or parallel edges. What is the meaning of or operator? Anyone is okay, both also okay. Anyone is okay, both. Suppose only one is there, only self loop, then also multi-graph. Only parallel edges, then also self, then also multi-graph. Both there, then also multi-graph. What is multi-graph? Either self loop there or parallel edges are there or both are there. This is R operator. Anyone there or both there. But what is the meaning of simple graph? Both strictly not allowed. Parallel edges also not allowed and self loop also not allowed. So I didn't say anything here. I didn't say anything. What is graph definition? What is graph definition? I said graph is combination of V and E. Right? I given two examples. Now immediately I went to, right, graphs are two types. Simple graph, multi-graph. Graphs are two types. Simple graph, multi-graph. What is simple graph? Simple graph means simple. What is simple? No self loop, no parallel edges. What is the meaning of parallel edges? Between two people edge there, you get one more edge. One more edge, that is called parallel edges. In the case of multi-graph, some extra unnecessary things. Self loop is there, parallel edges are there. Both may be there or any one there. But in the case of simple graph, both not allowed. Right? Let me know anyone having any doubt. If anyone says, sir, I have some doubt, let me know. Right? Please let me know in the comment section. Any doubt is there. Let me know this. Let me know any doubt. So you please comment any doubt is there. I will complete some small promotion. It will be useful to those people who want to prepare GATE examination. It will take 2 or 3 minutes. Please give to me 2 or 3 minutes. So in EPT, all classes are in English only. Live is there, recording is there. Right? So daily quizzes also there. Right? So quick doubt solving also there. PYQs also there. Right? Guidance will be there. Right? Mentorship session and right. So strategies also provided. So these are the toppers of EPT, right? In the last year GATE examination. Last year GATE examination, these are the toppers of EPT. I want to see you also in the toppers list next year. Next year, I want to see you also in the toppers list. So I request everyone, please study properly. Most of the people in this list, they got GATE rank in the first attempt itself. First attempt itself they got. I wish you also will get. Try properly, you will get in the first attempt itself. That is my goal. That is the reason we are taking the mentorship session every day. That is the reason we are solving the doubts every day. Every day we are solving the doubt. Every weekend we are doing the mentorship session. Right? Every time, right? Next one, every manner we are guiding. The reason is first attempt itself. First attempt itself, you should get the good GATE rank. That is a goal. Right? Next one, if anyone is there, right, you or your friends there in the college top 5 list, right, you can apply for EPT Rise 1000 initiative. Almost free course you will get. GATE also and placement also combinedly, either GATE or placement or both combinedly, you will get the free of cost almost. Just you have to pay only platform fees. 2000 rupees platform fees you have to pay. So completely free you will get the course. The only thing is you should be there in the top 5. Top 5 of your college you should be there. From your college management, you have to send one mail. So and so person, right? My name is this, right? So he is there in this college. This semester he is studying. This, right? This year, this semester he is studying. He is there in the college top 5 position, right? College or class, whatever it is. So if they send it, if they ask us, automatically we will give the subscription. The reason is no talented kid, right, should suffer because of financial issues and all. That is a major goal. If anyone is there, you or your friends, right, so you can utilize this particular thing. The only thing is if you serious. If I got to know if you are not serious, right, your admission is given to someone else. If you serious, right, or any one of your friend is serious, they can apply to this particular program. Next one is, right, DSA Super 300 best questions 300 best questions for the placement. Right? There is a one course, DSA practice course, 300 best problems. Right? So will be provided live or recorded lectures. Problem will be explained and solution will be explained. 300 best problems to crack the placements. Next one, yeah. Yeah, some surprise is going on, right? So that's what they want to say. Very soon we are going to do some surprise, right? Next one. So if you selected for any company interview, if you need a mock test, you can mock interview, you can inform to us. We will conduct the mock interview for you. These are the faculties where, right, experienced people are there, gate rankers are there. That is the reason in the EPT most of the people are cracking the gate examination in the first attempt itself. So myself 18 years experience, Uma sir 20 years experience, Dheeraj sir 300 15 years experience. One more person, BB Reddy sir, is having 20 years of experience. We'll add that also. We'll update recently. One more DLD faculty joined. So it's a combination of rankers and experienced people. So C programming is free in the YouTube. You can utilize Python programming also free. You can utilize it. So you can select whatever course you want. If you're serious, you can join whatever course you like. Right. So every Saturday, Sunday, mentorship session is there. So make sure you will attend this and you will update so that you will be there in the disciplined manner. You will be there in the continuation. It will be really beneficial. So these are the free resources you people can utilize. These are the EPT people, right, who cracked the gate examination, right, placements also. Right, so these are the placement courses, DSA course, DSA plus system design course, right? These are the practice courses of DSA, interview course is there, programming course there, right? App developer, web developer, so those courses also available, you can utilize. Thanks for your patience. Now let's start now. So graph definition I said clearly, 2 examples also I given. Now let me know one important thing. Everyone observe, see this one, note. It is a very important one, note. Careful everyone. This is the very important one. Can you see this? Example 3. Let me do example 3, afterwards I will go. Example 3. A, B, C, D, E. A, B, C, D. A, B, C, D. So yeah, I think this may be better now. Let me make simple. A, B, C, D. Right. Now my question to all the people, it is a graph everyone know. Is it simple graph or multi-graph? Can you help me? It is a graph everyone know. Everyone know it is a graph. Name is, I can give whatever name I want. I am giving G3. Graph G3. Is it graph? Yes. Is it graph? Yes. Yes or no? Is it graph? Yes. Next one. Is it simple graph? Yes. Is it simple graph? Yes. Next one. In this simple graph, how many vertices are there? 5 vertices. How many edges are there? Can you count how many edges? In this simple graph, 5 vertices are there. Okay. Can you count how many edges? Everyone count how many edges? Outside 6 edges. Inside how many? I think 3. Outside 6. Inside is 3. 6 plus 3, 9. 9 edges. Count properly. If anyone having small doubt, count properly. Little doubt also there, count properly. It is E1. It is E2. It is a E3. It is a E4. It is a E5. It is a E6. Right? Outside 6 edges. Inside if you see 3 edges. It is a E7. It is a E8. It is a E9. 9 edges. Okay, that's fine. Now listen everyone. Listen everyone. Totally 9 edges are okay. With vertex A, how many edges are there? Total 9 edges are there. That's fine. With vertex A, how many edges are there? Can you see this one? With vertex A, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 edges are there. With the help of vertex A, 4 edges are there. Check. With the help of vertex E, 4 edges are there. With the help of vertex A, 4 edges are there. With the help of vertex C, how many edges are there? 3. With the help of vertex D, how many edges are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. With the help of vertex B, how many edges are there? 3. The number of edges associated with vertex A is known as the degree of A. So, number of edges associated with vertex A. Number of edges associated with vertex A is known as degree of vertex A. Number of edges associated with vertex A is known as degree of vertex A. So, degree of A, let me write one by one now. Now, because of you are okay, degree of, I will write clearly degree also. See. Degree of A is equal to 4. Degree of B is equal to 3. Degree of C is equal to 3. Degree of D, I think 4. Degree of E is equal to 4. So degrees also you are okay. Now listen everyone. It is a simple graph. First of all, it is a simple graph. Degree also you are comfortable. Now listen everyone. It's a very, very important one. Listen this carefully. Whenever I will say B degree, see this one. Whenever I will say B degree 3, okay. When I say B degree 3, it is already counted. B degree 3, it is counted already. Whenever I say A degree 4, right? A degree 4 means it is counted. So A also counting this, B also counting this. Same edge counted by 2 people. Whenever I will say A degree, in the A degree this is counted. In the B degree also this is counted. Same edge counted by 2 times. So because of that reason, if you add all these three degrees of all, sum you add. 4 plus 3, 7, 4 plus 3, 7, 7 plus 7, 14, 14 plus 4, 18. But because of one edge counted twice, so that is the reason double came, 2 into 9. So these 9 is the edges. 2 into edges. 2 into number of edges. See, number of edges are 9. Because of same edge counted by, right? See, if at all one edge there, see this one. If at all it is one edge, this side person also counting, this side person also counting. If at all it is a edge, E is also counting this. So same thing counted twice. That is the reason double came. So sum of degrees is 2 into E. In the simple graph, sum of degrees is equal to 2 into E. Let me write now. In simple graph, in simple graph, G V comma E, in simple graph G V comma E, see this one, sum of degrees of all vertices is equal to 2 into number of edges. In simple graph G V comma E, sum of degrees of all vertices is equal to 2 into E. y double, see this one, y double, I am saying also y double. If this is a edge, A also counting this, B also counting this, both the corners are counting, so same thing counted by twice, same thing counted by twice. That is the reason sum of degrees will become 2 into E. Sum of degrees are nothing but 2 into E. But remember, in simple graph, remember we are talking about simple graph, we will talk about only simple graph. We will talk about only simple graph, but anyhow, I written in simple graph GV comma E, sum of degrees of all vertices is equal to 2 into E. 2 into E. Okay, fine. Some people are asking, that's fine. Now listen everyone. Now listen everyone. In simple graph, carefully. It's very, very interesting. Very, very interesting. See this one. In simple graph, in simple graph, in simple graph, in simple graph, sum of degrees is 200. Then number of edges, how many? In simple graph, sum of degrees is 200. Then number of edges, how many? So 200. Sum of degrees are 200. Na? 200 can be written as 2 into 100. So number of edges are 100. This is E. In simple graph, if sum of degrees is 200, in simple graph, if sum of degrees is 200, then number of edges is equal to 2 into E. So 2 into 100. So number of edges are 100. It's a normal. Everyone knows. It's very simple. It is very simple. Everyone knows, only for namesake. So I given one homework also. This week you have to complete. Right? This week you have to complete discrete mathematics, graph theory. Discrete mathematics, graph theory, you have to complete in this week. I am saying the things which are required now, because the topic itself is graph traversal. Topic itself is graph traversal. If you don't know graph, I cannot teach. So whatever is required, I am saying one time. But after completion of this, your next goal is that only. Total graph theory, you have to study once. Very simple. Very simple. One time listening required. Okay. I think until now everyone is fine now. Degree is always 2 multiple. Sum of degrees. There is a difference. Degree means 1% degree. See, degree of A 4, degree of B 3, degree of C 3. Sum of degrees is 2 into E. Remember, degree of any person is nothing but how many edges it is associated. How many edges I am associated? Suppose I am associated with 10 edges, my degree is 10. If you are associated with 20 degree, if you are associated with the 20 edges, your degree is 20. Sum of degrees is 2 into E. Sum of degrees is 2 into E. Right? Fine. Now come here. Very, very interesting point. Very, very interesting point. Please come here. Very, very interesting point. Please listen. Please listen. One more note. Please listen. One more note. See this. If simple graph contain, carefully. If simple graph contain, so let me write 6 vertices. If simple graph contains 6 vertices, then what can be the, if simple graph contains 6 vertices, then what can be the maximum degree of any vertex? Can anyone say? If simple graph contains 6 vertices, then what can be the maximum degree of any vertex? Can anyone give answer? If simple graph contains 6 vertices, then what can be the maximum degree of any vertex? So you may be think Reddy Sir is a drinker. I am a drinker, water drinker. I am a drinker, true, water drinker. I used to drink water. I am not a drinker like you. Like you people, I don't drink alcohol. I will drink pure water. I will drink pure water. Reddy Sir is a drinker? Yes, water drinker. If simple graph contains 6 vertices, then what can be the maximum degree of any vertex? Remember, it is a simple graph. Remember, it is a simple graph. If simple graph contains 6 vertices, then what can be the maximum degree of any vertex? So now see this one, 6 vertices. Can you see this one? A, B, C. If anyone having small doubt also, can you see this one? A, B, C, D, E, F. Totally 6 vertices. Just 1 minute. Just 1 minute. Yeah, you may say that, so why you stopped the class, right? Who called you? One phone call came, that is the reason I stopped class, right? One phone call came. So that phone call is someone else. I could have stopped it. I may not take, but my Saleh is called. If I don't lift phone, he will say to his sister, okay? So my Saleh called me. If I don't lift phone, he will say to his sister. So she will torture me. My bhaiya called, you don't lift the phone, you don't respect my bhaiya, you don't respect me. Right? She will torture me. She don't give food also. So why unnecessary headache? So that is the reason, to avoid those unnecessary problems, I lift the phone. Unnecessary. Why to keep the head? Why to keep head inside the line mouth? Inside the line mouth, why to keep my head? What is the need? A very simple solution. Lift phone, you say, hi, I miss you, my Saleh. Say like this and say I'm in class over. Otherwise, he will say, right? He will say, my G's are not lifting phone. So he will say to his sister, she will feel bad. Unnecessary troubles, why bhaiya? So that is the reason I'm saying one idea can change life. That is the reason people used to say one idea can change life. This is the idea. If you don't have brain, block him, and then you don't get food also. If you have brain, just lift phone and say, my dear Saleh, how are you? Then over. My dear Saleh, how are you? Then over. So because of that phone call, you know what happened? After this class is over, my madam will come with mangoes. She will cut the mangoes. She will give the very good very good pieces of mangoes. So there is a very good treatment. So I am sharing my experience to all of you. Please use common sense. Please use common sense. I want to give suggestion to all of you. Now let's come to the topic. See this one. Let's come to the topic. Yeah, future tips. Okay, fine, perfect. Good boy. If simple graph contains 6 vertices, then what can be the maximum degree of any vertex? Can you see this one? 6 vertices are there. Remember, it is a simple graph. Understand everyone, it is a simple graph. Simple graph means no self loop. Simple graph means self loop, no. Parallel edges also, no. These two are no. So maximum degree possible for any vertex, maximum. It can be adjacent to, it can be adjacent or connected, both are same name. A will be adjacent to B, means A connected to B and D, it is the maximum what can happen. It is the maximum. So A cannot be adjacent to himself. He cannot adjacent to himself. He cannot adjacent to someone two times, because if two times parallel edges will come. So if simple graph contains 6 vertices, then what can be the maximum degree of any vertex? The answer is going to be that E will be adjacent to all other people, other, total 6 people, other is 5. So 6 minus 1, maximum degree 6 minus 1, 5. If at all n vertices, suppose n vertices are there, n vertices, so n minus 1. This is the maximum degree possible. In simple graph. Right? So some people are asking what is the minimum degree. Some people are asking what is the minimum degree. Remember, what is the minimum degree? There may be a chance that E may not be adjacent to anyone. There is a someone, E is not adjacent to anyone, means he is not connected to anyone. Let me write now. 0 is minimum degree. In the simple graph, what is the minimum degree possible? There is a one person, he may not be adjacent to anyone. So minimum degree 0. Maximum degree possible is, right, this person is adjacent to all other people. Minimum degree is not adjacent to anyone. If he is not adjacent to anyone, minimum degree is adjacent to all other people, maximum degree. So let me write the note. In n vertex simple graph, in n vertex simple graph, the maximum degree possible for any vertex is equal to n minus 1. The minimum degree possible for any vertex 0. In n vertex simple graph, the maximum degree possible for any vertex is n minus 1. Minimum degree possible for any vertex is 0. That is for n vertex simple graph. Can you say same thing? Can you say same thing to me in n vertex? In n vertex multi-graph. In n vertex multi-graph, the maximum degree possible for any vertex. Can anyone help me? What is the answer? The minimum degree possible for any vertex. I want answer. Can anyone give? In n vertex multi-graph, the maximum degree possible for any vertex, the minimum degree possible for any vertex. Can you try? Can everyone try for this? So remember self loop is allowed. Parallel edges also allowed. Self loop is allowed, parallel edges also allowed. See this one. A, B, C, D. See this one. Between A, B, one edge you kept. So like this. A, for the A, all other people are adjacent. For the A, all other people are adjacent. Okay. Totally 4 people. 3 degree already came for A. Totally 4 people. A is adjacent to all other people. So 3K. Self loop also you can keep. Remember, self loop will count twice. Self loop will count degree by 2. If anyone don't know, please let me write this one. Self loop will count. Self loop will count degree by 2. Self loop will count degree by 2. So A already having 3 plus 2. Okay, next one. Parallel edges also allowed. See this one? I think parallel edges, this also. Many parallel edges you can keep. How many? Whatever you want, you can keep. So, infinite. Minimum is, right? You may not be adjacent to anyone. Minimum 0. In n vertex multigraph, the maximum degree possible for any vertex is infinite. The minimum degree possible for any vertex is 0. Infinite means undefined. Someone said undefined. Can be anything. Undefined. Can be anything. Uncountable. Undefined. Yes, exactly. That is also correct. Whoever said undefined, that is perfect. We cannot say. Minimum 0, maximum is infinite. Infinite means big number. Sir, if a vertex is not connected with any other vertex, we consider part of the graph? Of course. That is the meaning of graph. What is the meaning of graph? Graph is combination of vertices and edges. In the vertices list, that person is there, connected or not, it doesn't matter. You have to take. So I will go here. See this one. I will go here. So this graph vertices, if you observe, right, even though C not connected, vertices are A, B, C, D, E, F. Vertices for this graph is A, B, C, D, E, F. Because in the vertex list C there. So please careful. In the vertex list C there, right, please be careful. Maximum degree, minimum degree, everything. So remember, self loop will count degree by 2. Okay, perfect. That is also okay. Now I will ask you one small thing. Everyone listen. Yeah, everyone listen this. Self loop will count degree by 2. Right? Fine. Now see, just one small story there. Can you listen that also? Small story. See this. Simple graphs are 2 types. Remember, previously graphs are 2 types. Now simple graphs are 2 types. Right? Simple graphs are 2 types. What are those? We will discuss only simple graphs. Remember? So little bit of simple graph and multi-graph I said, but we will discuss simple graphs only. Now understand, simple graphs are 2 types. Let me ask you. Now please give answer. 4 vertices are there in the simple graph. What is the maximum degree possible? Please give answer. We will discuss only simple graphs. We will discuss only simple graphs. What Now my question is, simple graph contain 4 vertices. What is the maximum degree possible? What is the minimum degree possible? Simple graph contain 4 vertices. What is the maximum degree possible? What is the minimum degree possible? Maximum is what? Minimum what? If simple graph contain 4 vertices, what is the maximum possible? What is the minimum possible? What is the maximum degree possible? What is the minimum degree possible? Maximum 3, minimum 0. Now see this. See everyone. Maximum 3. Understand? Simple graphs are 2 types. 4 vertices are there. Maximum degree of any vertex is 3. Minimum degree of any vertex is 0. Okay. Now see this one. So maximum degree of any vertex is 3. Let's keep for every person maximum degree. 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 What I want to say is, in the simple graph, for every vertex, keep maximum degree. Because maximum degree possible for any vertex is 3. For every person, keep degree 3. Keep maximum degree. In the simple graph, for every vertex, you are keeping maximum degree. So here 3, here 3, here 3, here 3. In the 4 vertex simple graph, maximum degree possible is 3. For every person, you kept the maximum degree. This is called complete graph. This is called complete graph, completely full. This is called complete graph with 4 vertices, which can be normally shown as K4. Shortcut is K4. Complete graph with 4 vertices, K4. Complete means complete, no gap at all. In the simple graph, every person contains maximum degree. That is called complete graph. This complete graph contains 4 vertices. Complete graph with 4 vertices name is given as K4. Now some people are asking, in the simple graph, every vertex contains minimum degree. In the simple graph, every vertex contains minimum degree. Minimum degree 0. Every vertex contains minimum degree. Minimum degree. This is called null graph. 4 vertex null graph. 4 vertex null graph. This null graph contains 4 vertices. But remember, null means degree 0 for every person. In the simple graph, every person contains 0 degree. Then that graph is called null graph. This graph contains 4 vertices. 4 vertex null graph. In the simple graph, every person contains maximum degree. That is called complete graph. This complete graph contains 4 vertices. 4 vertex complete graph K4. 4 vertex null graph. What is null graph? Everyone is 0 degree. In the given simple graph, every vertex is 0 degree. In the given simple graph, every vertex contains maximum degree. So remember, simple graphs are 2 types. Null graph and complete graph. Very simple here. Null means nothing there. Complete means everything there. Null means nothing there. Complete graph means everything there. Remember, in the simple graph, smallest simple graph is null graph. Biggest or largest simple graph is complete graph. Right? These are the 2 extreme corners of these 2. Right? I'm repeating once again. These 2 are extreme corners of simple graphs. Simple graphs are divided into mainly 2 types. Null graph and complete graph. These are 2 extreme corners. Right? So no edge at all, null graph. Everywhere edge there, complete graph. These are 2 extreme corners of simple graph. Fine. Simple graphs are 2 types, null graph and complete graph. What is complete graph? Everywhere maximum degree. Everywhere maximum degree. So now some people are asking, see, sir, in the complete graph with 4 vertices, how many edges are there, sir? Very simple. 4 vertices are there. Every vertex degree is 3. 3 plus 3 plus 3 plus 3, 4 times. 4 3 is 12. This is sum of degrees. If you have sum of degrees, if you want to get edges, do by 2. Because sum of degrees means every edge counting by twice, divide by 2. So 4 into 3, 12 by 2, 12 by 2, 6. 6 edges are there. Check if you want. Number of edges in K4. Oh, K4 means 4 vertices. Every person contains 3 degree. 4 into 3, 12. That is a sum of degrees. Sum of degrees, if I want to get edges, by 2. So 6 will come. So what about null graph? Null graph, let me see this one. 4 vertex null graph. Number of edges, how many? Number of edges, nothing to do anything. 0 edges. 0 edges. Here 6 edges. Simple graphs are basically 2 types. 2 extreme corner. No edge at all, null graph. Everywhere edge there, complete graph. Sir, null graph, 4 vertices, 4 vertex null graph, right? Complete graph with 4 vertices, 4 vertex complete graph, 4 vertex complete graph. Short name is K4. K means complete, 4 means 4 vertex. Null graph means, I think simply that itself is a shortcut. 4 vertex null graph. Null graph contain how many edges? 0. Complete graph contain how many edges? So that is the formula. That is a formula, right? Are you comfortable till now? Are you comfortable till now? Are you comfortable till now? Let me know. Any doubt? Let me know any doubt. Small, these are small thing. These are small thing. These are small thing. What is graph? What is degree? So first I said to you, what is graph? Next one, what is degree? How many types of graphs are there? How many types of simple graphs are there? Small formulas. Because topic is graph traversal. Without saying these basics, I cannot go. Without saying these basics, I cannot go. It is not possible. Right? Fine. So tomorrow it is because it's a first class. It is a first class. Tomorrow we'll see the next story. Please revise and come. Please revise and come. Is it possible 7 o'clock? Let me know. 7 o'clock possible. Let's go 5 days. 5 days, let's go. Because they are already scheduled, we cannot change it. They are already scheduled. We cannot go. 5 days. 5 classes are there, 7:30. 5 classes are there, 7:30. Right? After 5 classes, we will go to EPT. After 5 classes, we will go to EPT. There, right? I will ask you, whatever you say, accordingly we will go. Whatever you say, accordingly I will go. So please revise and come. Please revise and come. Please revise and come. Yeah. Can you like this video? Can you comment? Can you share? So that many people will come. So that class will be more interesting. So that class, right? I will share these notes also. I will share these notes also. If anyone wants notes of any subject, please let me know. I have all the notes. My only intention is you have to make notes. My only intention is you have to make your own notes. Still, if you want notes, I have all the notes. I have all the notes. If you want notes, I have all the notes. But it is better to make your own notes. After every class over, I used to store. Right, perfect. Want COA. Yeah. So you ask me, I will give. You ask me, I will give. Just ping me WhatsApp, I will give the link to you. It is there in the website also, check. It is there in the website also. In the download notes, you will find it. Yeah, see you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. See you tomorrow. So those people who are serious, they can join in this batch. Those people who are serious, they can join in the new batch. Today only first class. You can join. Thank you. Thanks everyone. See you in the next class. Thank you. Yeah, see you tomorrow.